Hi guys, so in this video we'll be learning how you can schedule a bot in A360. So I have been in this interface in the automations tab, and here this is the public repository from where I can choose the bot which I want to deploy or which I want to schedule. For example, this is one step. You can search it for the bot, or you can navigate from these folders, this folder structure, and go ahead and schedule the bot, right? Suppose this is the bot, you can get the options here to schedule a bot. Currently, for this bot, the logged in user does not have a permission, so that's why you're not seeing that option. And the another option is from here at the top. There are three options: run bot now, schedule bot, and run bot with a queue. So we can use the schedule bot option. You're presented with a schedule bot screen where you have this wizard where you can select the schedule, bot and their dependencies, run as machine, device pool, and the automation priority. So these are the five settings which you can choose, or five configuration that you can do for your bot schedule. So from here, if you want to run repeatedly, you can select this, run repeatedly, and then select the date and start time, the time zone. And if you want to do run once, then you can select this radio button, and from here you can click on start date, start time, and the time zone. So if schedule is missed, so what you want to do, you can redeploy the schedule again. You have that option as well. So we'll go with this option, run repeatedly, and here it takes current date by default, so we can schedule it for any future date. Suppose you want to schedule it for Monday, starting Monday, 6th of Feb. So you can select here 6th of Feb. If you want to end this schedule at a particular date in the future, like 3 months from now or 2 months from now, so you can select end date. If you don't want, if you wish that this bot should keep running, then you just specify a start date and then do not specify any end date. Here you can select the time starting from 12 a.m. or whatever. Then you can select the time zone, whatever the time zone you want this to be, right? So you can select it like this, Kolkata, Asia, whatever it is. So I want my bot to start at 9 a.m. daily. So I'll select here as 9 a.m. IST. Okay, my bot should start at 9 a.m. IST starting Feb 6th. And I want to repeat this bot every 10 minutes. So I can select here from repeat every 10 minutes. If you wish to repeat it every 1 hour, 2 hour, you can select the hour option as well. And end time. I want this bot to end at 6 p.m. So I can select here as 6 p.m. option. Suppose 6 p.m. this bot will end. The schedule will end. And next day it will start again at 9 a.m. Okay. And frequency also I can set every 1 day, every 2 day, every 3 day, or weekly or monthly, whatever it is. So click on next. After this, from here you can select the bot and click on next. Sample bot. Let me go ahead and click here, test bot, and then click on next. So here I can specify the runner machine, which runner user and runner machine will be used while running this bot. Click on next. Then device pool, you can set up device pool here. This is optional. So for now we are not like it's not needed here. Then you can go ahead and click on the automation priority if you want it a low or a medium priority. Let it be the default option, and then you can click on, probably you can click on schedule bot. Once you click on schedule bot, your schedule will be created. That's all for bot scheduling. Thanks for watching.